The construction and launch of the RMS Titanic, one of the most famous ships in history, was a remarkable feat of engineering and craftsmanship. Here's an overview of the key stages in the Titanic's creation. 1. Design and planning. The idea for the Titanic was conceived in the early 20th century by the White Star Line, a British shipping company. The ship's design was the work of naval architect Thomas Andrews, along with the expertise of William Perry, managing director of Harland and Wolff shipyard, and Alexander Carlisle, the chief draftsman. The primary goal was to build a luxurious and safe passenger liner that could transport people across the Atlantic Ocean. 2. Shipyard selection. The shipyard chosen to construct the Titanic was Harland and Wolff, one of the largest shipbuilders in the world, based in Belfast, Northern Ireland. They had an excellent reputation for building large vessels, and their experience was crucial in constructing the massive ship. 3. Construction. Construction began on March 31, 1909, with the laying of the keel. The ship was constructed in a massive dry dock, where various parts and sections were assembled. Skilled workers, including engineers, carpenters, plumbers, and electricians, worked on different areas of the ship simultaneously. 4. Building process. The construction process involved creating the Titanic's hull and superstructure piece by piece. The hull was composed of steel plates and girders riveted together. The interior spaces were constructed with a focus on luxury and comfort, with elaborate woodwork, fine fabrics, and luxurious amenities. 5. Launch. The launch of the Titanic occurred on May 31, 1911. Launching a massive ship was a delicate process that required meticulous planning and precise execution. The dry dock was flooded with water, allowing the Titanic to float for the first time. The ship was then towed to a fitting-out berth for further interior work and installations. 6. Fitting out. After the launch, the fitting-out process began, which involved installing the ship's engines, boilers, electrical systems, and the luxurious interiors. The fitting-out phase was meticulous and time-consuming, as every detail had to be carefully executed. 7. Sea trials. Once the fitting-out process was complete, the Titanic underwent sea trials. These trials tested the ship's maneuverability, speed, and safety features. The crew, including officers and engineers, familiarized themselves with the ship's operations during this period. 8. Maiden voyage. Finally, on April 10, 1912, the Titanic set sail on her maiden voyage from Southampton, England, to New York City, USA. The journey was highly anticipated, and the ship's opulence and size garnered widespread attention. Unfortunately, tragedy struck when the Titanic struck an iceberg and sank on April 15, 1912, resulting in the loss of over 1,500 lives. The construction and launch of the Titanic were a testament to human ingenuity and engineering capabilities at the time. Despite its tragic end, the Titanic remains a symbol of both innovation and the importance of safety in shipbuilding.